What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting on one of the biggest projects that I have ever done and I'm super excited. We're gonna build a car basically from the ground up. But first there's just one problem. The car is in California and I'm here in Michigan. So we got the X3, we got a car hauler trailer hooked up and we are about to go to Los Angeles, California. First we got one stop to make here in Michigan before we head out there. So let's go ahead and get on the road. We are in Paw Paw, Michigan. We just picked up this beautiful rampless motorcycle trailer. This thing is super cool. It's got a winch hooked up to it with an ATV battery. This bed drops all the way down to the ground so you can just ride your motorcycle right on. So we are taking this out to Los Angeles for a lady who bought it out there. So we're gonna deliver that to her to help offset some of the cost of gas to go get this car. So let's go ahead and hit the road with the trailer. Hoping to get to Iowa tonight. We'll see how far we get and then pick it up again tomorrow. At the end of day one, we are here at the world's largest truck stop in Walcott, Iowa. So we're gonna spend the night here and then get back on the road in the morning. Hopefully make it out somewhere in Colorado or Utah by tomorrow night, and we'll see where the day takes us. See you in the morning. We have made it to the wonderful state of Nevada. We drove through the Rockies late last night, spent a little bit of time overnight in Colorado, and then went through Utah and Arizona here to Nevada today. We are about an hour outside of Las Vegas, only about 5 hours left to go to Los Angeles. Today we had some snowstorms back in Utah, a lot of rain coming through there as well, so hopefully the weather's a little better from here. I think we're gonna hit some more rain as we come in to California. So let's go ahead, hit the road again and get all the way there. today is a very exciting day. I'm in Santa Clarita, California, and I just picked up my new project, which is right to the right of me on my trailer. So without further ado, here's my 1974 Porsche 914. We got this Group 5 wide body kit on it. It was previously set up for a small block Chevy motor in the back. It's even got the 918 badge right there. Got the big wing on it. So we are going to rebuild this car. We're going to do all the suspension. We got a lot of interior we got to do. Got to find a hood for it. We're going to put a drivetrain in it, and we're going to have a lot of fun this summer building this car. First things first though, we got to get it back to Michigan. So we're heading out today. We're going through Arizona, New Mexico to Texas and Oklahoma, and then all the way up to Michigan. It's about 34 hours of driving. So it's going to be quite the trip. So let's go ahead and head back with my new Porsche 914. we are finally back in Michigan. The car is all unloaded and covered up where it will sit until I get a shop set up in a few weeks from now. Thank you so much for coming along for the whole 4,400 miles of the journey out to California and back to Michigan. I'm super excited for this build and to share it with you guys. Please hit that subscribe button below to keep up with this build and everything else we have coming up. Until then, I'll see you on the next one.